Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fix channel. Today I want to show you how to set up a wallpaper on your desktop in MacBook. Okay, so let's go. The way to do this, you have to use your two finger, select on your touchpad and hold it, and then scroll down to select on check desktop background. Wait a minute, and then all the wallpaper are in here, and you can select on which wallpaper you want to set up. For an example, I want to set up this picture. Just select on it, and then the wallpaper change. Okay, and this is the way to set up the wallpaper, the default wallpaper in the MacBook. And if you want to change the wallpaper with your photo, you can for an example, my photo is in this folder. Select on it, and you have to I want to find a picture that I want to set up. For an example, I select on this photo. This is my teenager wallpaper when I was young, about 22 years old, with my younger brother. Okay, alright, so the way to do this, you need to use your two finger again and select on it, and scroll down at the bottom right here and set desktop picture. Select on it. Wait a minute. Alright, so that's it. This is the way to set up the wallpaper on your desktop in MacBook with your picture and the default wallpaper in the MacBook. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.